Thank God it's a Wednesday. Ito po ang September 1, 2021 edition ng The Stock Market Today. Bear months na po at magandang balita, 115 days na lang, Pasko na. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer who started to invest in the Philippine stock market in 2007, and I do this report daily, which I started August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang financial news po natin ay mula sa FGEN. Kasama po ang financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSEI ngayong araw. Ika-1 ng Setyembre 2021 dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, so let's start with the financial headlines first. Yan, from courtesy of BDO Securities. August inflation likely over target. So that's the first bullet. And the second economic news is Philippine debt tally reaches new high of 11.6 trillion in July. And for sectoral news, this is our main news, KKR and company to increase stake in FGEN. Avion offline after turbine damage. And then Glow signs loan deals with BPI, MBT for CAPEX. And then ramp up loans loss reserves to help Philippine banks to weather asset quality risks. So those are our financial headlines, and now let's go to the details. And our news is on FGEN, and I will be taking the snapshot news from BDO Securities. Global investment firm KKR and Company plans to increase its stake in FGEN through the tender offer of its affiliate Philippine Clean Energy Holding Inc. Based on the TO or tender offer report disclosed by FGEN, Philippines Clean Energy made an offer to acquire 107.9 million to 205 million outstanding common shares from existing shareholders at 33 per share. So tignan po natin ang FGEN mamaya. I think the stock shot up or tumaas by 16.6% premium over the last closing share price of 28.30 on August 26. The shares to be acquired represent approximately 3% to 5.7% ownership interest in FGEN for a total consideration of 3.6 billion pesos to 6.8 billion pesos. The offer period is expected to run today until the 29th of September. Philippine Clean Energy reportedly made the tender offer for investment purposes, with plans to continuously review its investment in FGEN. In a separate disclosure, FGEN reported that the second unit of its 97 Avion gas-fired plant will be offline for the time being after its gas turbine was discovered to have been damaged and will reportedly require further off-site assessment at a General Electric service depot abroad. It added that Avion Unit 1 is unaffected and will stay online. So that's our news for the day. And now let's take a look at, may I just add, because this just came in earlier, the disclosures as of September 1 on AC Energy. Ito po yung financials niya for the period ended June 30, 2021. And yung kanyang book value per share as of June 30 is 3 pesos 19 centavos compared to 5 pesos and 08 centavos. So nag-decline, pero I think the reason for that is that nag-increase sila ng common shares Diba? Yung authorized capital stock nila in-increase nila because there was a follow-on offer and nag-exercise sila ng stock rights nag-offer sila ng stock rights. And that's why na-dilute yung book value per share. And that's the reason kung bakit nag-decline. Pero kung titignan natin yung stockholders' equity tumaas, 133,589 compared to the December 31, which is just 104 million. Now, on the income statement, yung current year second quarter had an income after tax of 2.18 million compared to the previous year's quarter, the second quarter last year, of 2.6. So, nag-decline ng slightly by about 500,000 pesos. However, the current year to date, that is from January to June 2021, ay 4.12 million or 4.117 million compared to the last year's year-to-date of 3.8. So, nag-increase siya ng 500,000. So, yan po yung net income after tax. Pero yung earnings per share ay nag-decline, and I think the reason for that is nag-increase sila ng common shares, ng issuance ng common shares. So, na-dilute yung earnings per share. Okay, so that's our summary for our news today on AC Energy. And now let's go to the happenings in the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Okay, the PSEI lost 69.5 points or 1.01%. Pero alam niyo, yesterday it gained 1.01. So ngayon ay nagbawian lang sila, no? So to end at 6785.94. Pero bullish pa rin po ang ating Philippine Stock Exchange Index as our indicators are still under the candlestick with RSI a bullish 55.55. Now, if we'll go to our market summary, 97 companies declined, 101 advanced, while 41 remained unchanged. The all-share index also declined by 0.24% or 10.32 points. Our sectoral indices ended mixed, no? The financials and the mining sectors were in the green, while the holding companies, industrials, properties, and services were in the red. Now, the properties declined by 0.69%, followed by the holding companies at 1.41%. Now, on the market status, now we will be reviewing 7 stocks which figured earlier in our news, plus ALLHC. So, we will be reviewing FGEN, Glow, BPI, MBT, SECB, BDO, and ALLHC. So, mostly these are power, telecoms, and bank stocks. So, let's now go first to FGEN. Tingin ko tumaas tong si FGEN. Yan. Actually, ended a bit flat, pero it ended higher at 32.15. So, remember, yung tender offer was 32 pesos. So, dyan lang siya, no? And there is volume here. And I think that's what's putting the stock up is the tender offer at a premium of 16% over the last price before suspension of trading. So I think this is 52-week na ba ito? Hindi pa ito yung 52-week high. I think ito yung 52-week high niya, yung resistance level natin. Nandito po. And this occurred noong January 2021, Yung high niya was at 31.50. Hindi pa pala. Meron pang mas mataas doon. Which occurred, hindi ko na makita. Pero ito yung pinakamataas na nakikita ko eh. 33.70. Yes, tama. Ito nga. So, January 11, 2021. At yan po yung resistance po natin dahil yan po yung pinakamataas na nakuha niya plus yung opening price po ng the following day, So, nasa 33.40 to 33.50 area po yung ating resistance level. Up to 33.70, resistance level pa rin po yan. And yung 33.15, I think, yung nga sinabi ko kanina ay yung tender offer na nasa news natin kanina. Yan po. So yan po ang ating resistance level. Yung support level po ay lagay po natin dito. Nandito po yan sa 3160. Now when I talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points but these are areas. So tingnan naman natin si Glow. Yan, naku, si Glow ay nagko-consolidate. Pero bullish pa rin po siya as our indicators are under the candlestick. So it opened at 27.18 and ended at 27.60, 40 pesos up. And this is higher than the closing price of yesterday. Kaya green po pareho ito, green candlestick and green here. No? Pero yung pinaka-nearest resistance, nandito po sa area to. Yan po. Nasa 26.30 to 26.50 po yung nearest resistance area ni Glow based on 3 candlesticks. Ngayon po yung, I'm sorry, nearest support yan. Ngayon, yung nearest resistance will be here at, nandito po sa 29.25 po. So, dyan po siya, pero based on 2 candlesticks lang po yan, yung sinasabi kong support and resistance. Yung support po is based on 3 candlesticks. Okay po. So, nasa overbought levels na po si Glow, and tingnan po natin kung anong susunod na kabanata dito dahil bullish pa rin po yung trend eh. But our RSI is telling us that the stock is overbought. So anytime soon, baka bumaba po yan. Ang fundamentals po based on BDO Nomura is just 27. No, yun lang po yung fundamentals. Or 26, I'm not certain, I think. So tingnan natin si BDO, si Globe, ano? So tingnan natin. Mabilis lang. Okay. Ang kanyang target price is 2,000. Yeah, so ang layo, no? 2,000 lang yung target price niya. So nandito lang siya sa baba. Dito lang po yung fundamentals niya. Pero bullish po eh. Based on the technicals, mukhang tataas pa ito. But ingat lang tayo dahil overbought na po yung stock. And then let's go to the banks. Let's check BPI. BPI is bearish. And yung kanyang support nandito po sa 82. Resistance is here at this area at 84. And it's just bearish to sideways with RSI bearish at 44. And then after BPI, Metrobank, yan, Metrobank is also bearish. Support is here at, this is support level actually, at 45. 45 to 45.20. Yun po yung support level niya. Resistance is here at this level. 46.50 to 46.80 po yung resistance level niya. So just moving sideways po with RSI bearish at 43. And then SECB, naku, bearish din to. Support nandito po sa area to at 109. Resistance nearest here at this level at 116. Yan po yung take ko sa SECB, and neutral po si BDO Securities dito. And then tingnan naman natin si BDO. Okay, BDO gained 113 and it is bullish. No, yung kanyang resistance level ay masasabi nating resistance na po ito. So BDO's resistance is nearest 115, and the next lower resistance level would be at 113. Pero bullish po si BDO dahil nasa 55 na po yung kanyang RSI. Yung support level, let's take it at EMA 50 at 110. Okay? And then finally, we have ALLHC. Ito, tatahimik lang to si ALLHC pero lumalarga siya. Oh. Tingnan nyo yung stock niya, 503 na. So it gained 5.67% or 27 centavos, and there is volume today. And look at the formation of our indicators, it is bullish. So ganito po yung formation ng bullish Kung moving averages pang pag-uusapan, under the candlestick po siya. Yung short term is nearest the candlestick, medium term is the next nearest, while the furthest to the candlestick is the long term 100 EMA. So masabi natin meron pong definite trend si ALLHC at 503 and it reached its all-time high, 52-week high today at 504. Okay, so it will still continue to move up. Although, ingat lang tayo, RSI is already oversold at 71. Pero may bullish divergence po si RSI natin. Eh, oh. Pataas pa rin siya. Ayan po. Whatever you look at it, bullish divergence pa rin siya. Yan o. Anyway, that's my take for ALLHC. Kung trading kayo dito, ay hawakan nyo pa. Pero, kung long term naman kayo, talagang hawakan nyo to dahil magandang stock po ito. Okay po? Okay, so yan po ang ating stock market report today, the 1st of September 2021. Ito po si Benji Chodoro nagpapaalala, ang investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Magpabakuna ng maaga ng di maabala. Maraming salamat sa inyong pag-subscribe at pagtangkilik. Hanggang sa muli, God bless and bye for now.